Hello guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to do Bool using Bool as a modifier and Bool as Addon. Bool as an add-on, Bool as a modifier. Boolean is actually yes, no, in, out, up, down kind of operation that works in Blender. So with this cube, let me enable screencast so you can see what I'm pressing. We press Shift D to duplicate this cube. I'm going to use a sphere. Yeah. Okay. So once I have this two, I right click on this cube and I choose Add Modifier. I choose Boolean and I say intersect with this. So we're going to Z wireframe. The cube, let me check visibility. So this cube has a modifier on it and is going to intersect this object sphere. So we're going to toggle this toggle this visibility option. So this is the intersection. Once I hit apply, that cube will be converted to this. That means it's taking this part that is intersected as the remaining. So Boolean is just like it's consuming, it's eating away. 80% of this operation is always consuming or taking away something. So this is what you then when you click apply, that means you're certain, and this sphere is left out. This sphere is left out once you hit apply. The sphere remains. Hit apply, you get the sphere and you get this one. I'm going to undo this and use the other operation really quick. So when you choose the sphere and you choose difference, it's going to remove this sphere from this, and you hit apply, then the cube, if you don't hit apply, you're not going to get away. You're not going to get what you need. Hit apply. It says yes, I agree with this geometry. And it says okay, fine. And if you do union, it's going to join both of them. Click apply. Both of them are one object, but you still have your sphere there. Likewise, if you use sphere as a modifier, it's going to leave your cube there, and if you use your sphere and say difference and pick cube, it's going to leave your cube there, and you're left with your sphere. So that's it about Boolean as a modifier. And Boolean as an add-on, if you go to add-ons, choose Boolean, search Boolean, check Boolean, close. Under tools, we have Boolean here. So these operators, these first 5 operators, are same as using these 3 operators here. Only that you don't have slide and subtract, but that and subtract also works fine. Yeah, only that you have slide and subtract, but they are same. Another difference is the name. They have Boolean, they have Bool too. I'm going to show you something. When you choose this and you choose this, any of these options you choose is like you're saying apply. Once you're choosing an operation and you're choosing an object. If I choose this and I say union, it's going to join both of them together. Press G. It's not even leaving anything behind. That's one of the differences. It's not leaving anything behind. And if I use union intersect anything, it's not going to. If I do intersect, it's not leaving even the target or the source. It's not leaving anything. But when you use Boolean, it's leaving leaving the target behind. So you do Boolean and you do difference and you choose this one and you choose this one cube, click apply, So difference, but still leaving this one as a target. Source, remove target, replace as a source. So and the other thing about Bool is that these brushes, this brush booling, they act like a modifier before you choose apply. Before you choosing apply, when you use brush booling, you have the same thing. When you choose this, you have union. It's waiting. This is just like a preview. It's waiting for you to say yes. You have these properties here: hide bool, apply or remove or view bool or brush viewer, and close the option to assign. And you could stack it like you stacking here. You could stack here by creating more brushes. You see they are the same. When you stack here, it's showing. So that's to show you that they're both the same. There's a slight difference is something to function. And I'm going to create another example with the poly brush. You don't need to select two objects for you to get the drag poly brush highlighted. Just choose one. Choose drag poly brush. You could draw polygon from tree, creating 3 points. That's the list. Create 3. 1, 2, 3, and you can press enter, and you have it. Create 2, press enter. You have 2 that is not or like barely filled. I mean, like it's not filled the right way, but this you have like it has a height. You have hair, you have hair, you have hair. So that's why I say 3. You have 2, you have something like that. This kind of intersection. So like the surface is touching the other surface partially. So as I say, like 3. So you could create more polygon. Press enter. Create more like 5. Press enter. Then you could drag them and you could create cuts. If you want to create class particles, shatter and all from little and little of this. And I think I will through these options as Bool, but this thing I want to show you about the booling. It's also both of them. Press Shift A, press Q, SSZ, and drag this down. Like most times in architecture, as Y. Press Shift A and press Q, and drag this out. Check this up. So let's say you're doing a archi design, and I know this is not anything, not to anywhere, but I just want to show you something about booling and how it helps somehow. So let's say this is your window. This is your window. This is your door, and you've got a plane as the base, and you're not sure. Let's say you do like this, you go to circle, you choose render. This is what you're having, or you're not sure where you want to place your door. Let's say you have so much options. You're thinking, should I put it here in the first place? Should it be closer to the wall? Where is it going to be? Something should it be here or something? You shouldn't be scared once you're doing this. Even when you've done your UV unwrapping, and you could just hit this check boolean and choose this and use difference. Press Z. So this is what's going to be going out. Then you check the object. Choose this object properties. You go down to circle settings and uncheck all of these options, and then you click render, so you could have the whole hair. So the beauty about this is that you could still move or translate your object, and you could have it cut and it should appear cool inside it. So wherever you're putting your door should not bother you, even if you're not sure yet. You could just create all the spacing that you want to to duplicate it if you want, but once you duplicate you need to apply the same modifier. But if you do Alt D also calls the modifier, but you need to point to like you need to create a copy of this, right copy, and you need to change this because you can't have overlap threshold 0 times multiplied by this. You're going to have like it's going to cancel out your object, so you could just check the window as your other object, or you could choose cube 0 plane with the window option. It goes like this. You just pick use the window option. You choose your window, choose this, go to circles, choose this, and then you choose render. So you have your window options, and you have your door options, and you're good to go. So you can scale the depth, scale the depth of the door. You could do that to the window as well. So whatever idea you come up with, you just try to manipulate your way through. And if you have problems, you could just drop it in the comment section below. If you don't understand anything I said or something I said that isn't clear, you could just write it down. Give this video a thumbs and stay cool. If you have any question that you said, just drop in the comment section below. If you haven't subscribed, please do. And thank you for watching. Bye, and see you in my next tutorial.